Hey guys, welcome back. It's Andrew here again, coming at you with another quick video on our exchange. In this video, we're going to look at how we exchange unit for CRU points. Of course, those elusive unlocked CRU points that you'll be able to stake in the future and be able to get a return on. So let's dive into this account and I'll show you how you can exchange units for CRU points. So let's dive in and have a look. All right guys, as we were before, back inside this back office, when you log in, by default, you'll end up on the news page. Again, ensure that you are in the CRU tab. That's very important. If you're not in the program, then please get in touch with the person who invited you and they will show you how to set this up. Come over to the left-hand side, scroll down until we get here again. I'm going to translate that just so you see it. Now, of course, this is the short notice board for CRU exchange. We want to go to the bulletin board. And of course, I'll translate that again for you. You can see the last 7 transactions, most recent transactions that have been. Of course, we have explained all 3 of these previously in different videos. So this video is specifically to show you how to exchange unit for CRU points. So let's go to publish an application for unit. And you can see in here, as we default, right, you can see the available amount of units is 106.93. Now, okay, I'm happy to exchange 50 units, and you can see I'll have a spread over here from 317 to 476. Again, I'll show you the difference here. If I go 317, then that's obviously putting the unit at 16 unit per 1 CRU point. So that's me. I would be exchanging top value. Okay, if I went to the other end of the scale, if I went to 476, that would drop it down to, you can see, 1.11 unit. So that would be bottom dollar. That would be lowering the value of the CRU point, if you get what I mean. That would lower the value of the CRU point. So what I'm going to do in here, I'm going to come in and I'm going to say, look, 400 is roughly middle, okay? And as we can see, it is pretty roughly middle. It's 0.13 unit. So again, as before, I would have to choose my date. And of course, you can see 50 units and 25. Now, you can also see that there's 0 balance in the main. So I'm going to take that from there and I'm going to put it over here where you can see I have got a balance. Now, guys, here's another caveat here as well. If you have spoken with someone specifically and you've said, hey, look, let's work together, let's exchange our units. Somebody said, oh, look, I've got CRU points that I want to exchange for units. This is how you do it. You then go to user, and then you would find the user in here. You may have already come up with an agreed price before you get to that point. That's okay. This is still the same process here. You'd find that person by putting in their login, and then you'd send your offer to them. They'd either reject it or they would accept it. Okay, so we're not doing that. We're going to the open market. Okay, so just to check everything here, we're looking at happily providing 50 units for 400 CRU points. So this is us gaining more CRU points. Of course, they're unlocked, so you'll be able to put them into staking, just for future reference, right? And of course, from here, we would go, that's of course if you're in the VIP club, click on publish application and you can see that it would end up right here. And you can see this is the one that we did earlier where we were willing to let go 200 units for, 200 CRU points for 26.5 units. That would have ended up in our wallet. And you can see this one here, this is the other way around. So this is 400 unit points. We're willing to trade. We're willing to bring 400 unit points into our portfolio, and we're willing to let go of 50 units in order to do that. That's as simple or as hard as it is, ladies and gentlemen. When they do come through, you'll click on My Exchanges and you will see it will come up with this right here to say, let me translate that to English so you can see it. You can see those are cancelled, but you can see that one is done. And you can see this one is in the process of sharing. So if we were quick enough and clicked on the bulletin board, we may actually see, no, it hasn't shown it. Sometimes you're quick enough to see the exchanges actually happening. But that's as simple and as hard as it gets. If this has been useful, please like, comment, and subscribe on this channel. But more importantly, pass this on to people who need it so that they can do these exchanges for themselves. Have an amazing day. You absolutely deserve it. I look forward to talking to you really, really soon. Take care.